Hello there everyone, this is Lilith and welcome back to another one of my videos for Altenew. Today I'm going to be sharing a layout I created for the stamp highlight blog post over on the Altenew scrapbook blog. I created 3 projects using one and the same stamp set. Today I'm using the pen sketched stamp set. Pen sketched flowers stamp set, and the first thing I'm going to do is just stamp a couple of these images in black and white onto some smooth cardstock. Then once I've finished stamping all of these out, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to cut them out with some scissors. We will have the coordinating dies really soon. So now that I have cut out all my different flowers, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some washi tape and I'm going to be using the Botanical Rhapsody tape. So what I usually do here is I will line up my paper with a grid on a mat I'm using. Here I'm using the Altenew stamping mat, and then I can just pop down the tape and I will get a nice straight line. So once I've finished with that, I'm just going to cut off anything that is over the edges of the paper, and then I'm going to take a couple of Altenew alcohol markers, and you can choose whatever color you want and just add a little bit of color to this washi tape. The layout in itself is really simple. So I have my washi tape at the bottom, and then I'm just going to create a little flower bouquet at the top and just pop my photo at the bottom. And then all I'll have to do is add a couple of finishing touches. I will add a little heart stamp, and I'll be using my Altenew markers just to color that in, and you get this really cool kind of emerald or diamond look with it. It's really fun to do. And I will add a title, and that is that. Thank you so much for joining me. If you want to see the 2 other projects I created, you can visit the Altenew scrapbook blog, and there will also be a full list of supplies over there. Thank you so much for joining me, and I wish you a happy scrappy day, and I'll see you very soon. Bye bye.